Hey guys, BBT Ray here. Carter has COVID, so I'm here taking over for today's video. Today we kind of went over some of the cleaning processes for the GPUs and some of the testing processes that we're doing to get the GPUs that we took down from the farm and to getting ready to sell in crypto world. Don't forget guys to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get a notification every time we post a video. And here's today's sponsor.
Decentralization is one of the most important factors in a global cryptocurrency network. Bitcoin's proof of work functions due to the exceptional security provided by the miners of the network. Today's sponsor is Compass Mining, a company with a customer-focused experience providing a tailored approach to purchasing, hosting, or even an at-home option, allowing anyone the opportunity to participate. If this interests you, head over to compassmining.io.
Alright guys, right here we got a motherboard testing center. So we got the keyboard, the monitor right there, power supply back here, so we can hook up the motherboards and make sure that all the motherboards are working properly, and we're going to set them to the settings. Right here we have Roswell case that's running with 6 cards right now. It's actually these nitros right here, the Safari 8 gig cards that are in it right now. That's running to keep the room clean, so that'll be there. These are tested motherboards. These are all cleaned and tested. They're all running good with the right settings for a rig build out. This right here is our GPU testing station. So right now we have it to where we put 4 GPUs on, test it all at once. Have simple mining on the rig right now, to where when we hook up the 4 GPUs, we can see all the settings that it's going through. All these are GPUs that still need to be cleaned. We got, most of them are the Sapphire Radeon 474 gigs is what they are, most of them. Right there we have all the motherboards and power supplies from those GPUs. So what we do when we clean the GPUs is we take all the screws off the back and the back plate, we'll take it apart, and then we'll go outside and use an air compressor. The best thing to use with the air compressor is a water filter, so that way no water will get onto the graphics card. Vanessa had just said that this looked really dirty. I explained to her that it is dirty for a GPU, but compared to other GPUs that we've been cleaning, this would be considered clean. So like just on the outside of this GPU, you could tell that it is very, very dirty. Just caked up dust everywhere on it. So the GPU over there is not as dirty as the dirty GPU would be. So usually the air compressor took most of this off, but since we can't use the air compressor, use a Q-tip for this. Now this is where so these right here are the thermal pads, and then those two are also thermal pads that just broke off. They're doing pretty good. They're not that bad. The thermal paste is right here. This is obviously caked up and just dried up, like basically doesn't have any thermal paste left on it. So for the thermal paste now, you don't need that much on it. When you take your screws out, you're gonna have to remember where everyone goes. There are different spots for each different GPU. With this specific GPU, there's 3 different types of screws. There's some silver short ones, those go in the middle holding the heat sinks on it. And then there's
Point to that again.
that one goes, those 4 go here to hold the heat sink on, and then these go outside. It holds the actual the fans on. And there's one screw that's like that also holds the heat sink on, but it's not a spring screw. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug it into the riser. Put it on there. Plug in the power to the GPU. And turn the rig on. So after you plug it in, as long as the card's running good, it's not overheating, it's getting the hash rate, the rig, and then put it back in the box and it's ready to go to crypto world. Thank you guys for watching today's video. That's all we got for you today. Thank you again to Compass Mining for this big sponsor. If you guys have any other questions, comment down below.